Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's talk about this amazing knife set from Sabatier. Guys, if you are looking for an amazing knife set to get you started in your new home or just to upgrade from what you have, this set is absolutely fantastic. Comes with everything you would need to get you set up. You may also be wondering why the knives are laying flat, horizontal. This actually is for the longevity of your knives. By not having it resting on the blade, it does remain sharper longer, which is something you don't find on a lot of knife blocks. And this definitely shows that these guys know what they're doing when it comes to knives, seeing as they've built this block in such a fantastic way. One other benefit to these solid steel knives is you can actually put them in the dishwasher because you don't have to worry about damaging any wooden hands or deteriorating the plastic. So make sure they're secure in there, but otherwise you are all good to pop them in the dishwasher. I love them, and I'm sure you will too, but that's just my point of view.